Welcome back. Dismissed insinuations that President Muhammadu Buhari may have a hand in the impeachment saga between the executive and the legislative arms in Benue State, which occurred while the president was away attending the ECOWAS ECCA summit in Togo. A statement by the Special Advisor to the President on Media and Publicity, Femi Adesina, explained that President Buhari will never be part of such unconstitutional act, as he knows that he will always stand by what is fair and noble, reiterating that any attempt to drag President Muhammadu Buhari into such infamy will not stand. The statement notes that the people who stoke fires by deliberate acts of omission or commission and thereafter urge the president to put it out will realize that this president will be guided by the Constitution at all times, no matter the attempt to entangle him in unwanted controversies. The newly appointed caretaker chairman of the All Progressive Congress in Kwara State, Bashir Bolarinwa, says the zero tolerance of President Muhammadu Buhari to corruption will soon yield positive results with the cooperation of all Nigerians. This was in a reaction to the step taken by the National Working Committee of the party. Aisha Abubakar Yahya reports.
The National Working Committee of the All Progressives Congress, APC, has dissolved the Kwara State executives of the party. According to the resolution, the National Working Committee, at its meeting recently, examined the unfolding developments within the party in Kwara State, specifically the irregularities that characterize the conduct and outcome of the congresses that produced the leadership of the party at all levels. This decision, according to members of APC in Kwara State, is a right step towards the right direction. They said this development will not only serve as an encouragement to members, but will also be an opportunity for them to be more relevant in the party.
Solution of the executive, the way forward is that there's going to be progress in Kwara State APC. We are going to get ourselves down and reform ourselves into an amicable body where we will call in others who are interested in the development of Kwara State to come and work with us.
Before we start this program, some people are saying that we don't know what we are doing. But alhamdulillah for today, we now stand for Buhari, inshallah. Say Baba 2019, we stand for Buhari.
The National Working Committee of the party will be constituting a caretaker committee led by the state party chairman Bashir Bolarinwa to see the affairs of the party in the state immediately. Aisha Abubakar Yahya, NTA News.
Meanwhile, Senate President Abubakar Bukola Saraki has announced his decision to defect from the All Progressives Congress, APC, People's Democratic Party, PDP. A statement signed by the Senate President says his defection is to enable him have the opportunity to be more committed in the course of his political career. Similarly, Kwara State Governor Abdul Fattah Ahmed defected to the People's Democratic Party, PDP. A statement by the governor's senior special assistant on media and communications, Muhyiddin Akorede, says the governor changed political platform due to irreconcilable differences. The Imo State Chief Judge, Justice Pascal Nadi, has been restrained by the court from swearing in the State Deputy Governor-designate, Sir Callistus Ekenze, as the Deputy Governor. Sele Osayande has details.
The venue of the planned swearing-in ceremony was the Sam Mbakwe Old Esco Chamber, which was filled with guests waiting for the event to commence. However, the hope of guests were dashed when the Imo State Commissioner for Justice and Attorney General, Militus Nemeldim, announced that the ceremony cannot hold as there is an interim order stopping the swearing-in ceremony. Mr. Nemeldim says, in obedience to the court order, the ceremony will not hold as necessary action within the law will be explored to vacate the court order and ensure the swearing-in ceremony holds in the shortest time.
On account of that, we could not proceed because we are law-abiding and we respect the rule of law in this state.
The former Deputy Governor, Prince Eze Madumere, was removed by the State House of Assembly following the report of a 7-man panel set up by the Chief Judge of the state, Justice Pascal Nadi, who investigated allegations of gross misconduct leveled against him in Owerri. Selo Sande, NTA News.
Concerned about the negative impact of corruption on democracy and the society at large, the House of Representatives Committee on Financial Crimes is undertaking a capacity-building training program for lawmakers and their support staff towards enactment of laws that will effectively tackle corruption. National Assembly correspondent Laimi Adi reports.
Experts say theoretical, legal and practical knowledge come in hand, which has been globally acknowledged as responsible for the myriads of challenges confronting many countries in their quest to ensure the well-being of their citizens. Putting in place sustainable and quality legislation that will stand the test of time in